doing today? This is Shaq Kicks. Today we have a very special unboxing. As you guessed it, since I got my new car, the Dodge Charger Scat Pack 2020, I bought this little custom. They're called BadFlags. You could rock your flag when you attach it to your Charger or Challenger, or it doesn't matter what car you have. You could just attach the flagpole and fly all kinds of flags. You guys could check them out. The website is called BadFlag.com, and you guys could fly your flags while you guys drive your cars. So let's unbox this BadFlag pole. And I also got myself a flag where it shows all lines for all basically all people that help in this world, like nurses, firefighters, police officers, for every color. So here we go, let's check it out. As you can see, it comes in this very large box, and in the inside, let's take a look what they have. Let's pull it out. This is a big pole where you could fly a flag. This is the flag I got, and this is the big pole that you could attach to your car. Pretty cool. So take everything out. So as you can see, it comes in this large pole. These it has the, as you can see, it has the BadFlag little logo right here, badflag.com. As you can see, these are suction to your car. This button right here, you pump it to you hear the noise, to pump it so it could be attached to your car. Here's the second one. It also has the branding right here, badflag.com. This pole is pretty large. As you can see, it has the branding right here. It says BadFlag going all around the stick.com, and you have this little attachments right here to attach the flags on in the middle and in the top as well. So this is how it looks. It's pretty big, the pole. And let's take a look at the flag. As you can see, I uncovered the flag that I ordered. You have the branding right here, badflag.com. It's an American flag with different stripes, one for corrections, one for dispatch, one for EMS, one for nurses, one for firefighters, obviously, and we got the police in blue, and the military and army camouflage. So the flag is pretty cool. As you can see, it's in black, as you can see, the American flag, with the different stripes for every helper in this world that are essential. So if you guys want to order this in a website to fly your flag on your car, as you can see, it comes with a BadFlag pole. You order that to fly these little attachments right here in the middle and the top. You attach it to these holes, and after that you put that in your car and fly your flag. So if you guys want to order this is a pretty good addition if you guys want to be patriotic, or just fly a flag, or just any flag that they have on their website. They have different custom flags you could actually customize and put in your order, and they could customize it for you. So this has been Shaq Kicks. If you guys want to order, badflag.com. They're still available on the website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share this video, share this channel, and see you guys in my next video. Peace.